Hey guys, welcome back to UModeler. In this video, we're going to take a look at a new tool, the parallel tool. The parallel tool is a tool that copies the edge closest to the mouse cursor and moves it parallel to the original edge, following the mouse cursor. Let's take a look at how to use it. All right, so the first thing we want to do is make sure that you have your UModeler X object selected here. And what we're going to do is head over to the inspector. And down in the drawing group is where we want to look for the parallel tool. Now keep in mind the parallel tool is currently in beta, so any of the features that are currently here, those features could be updated and changed. So just be aware of that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on the parallel tool, and you're going to see the tool properties pop up. And you're going to have a few different things you can mess with, like the distance, you can change the display mode, things like that, the shape name, but we're not going to mess with any of this. The first thing we want to do is evaluate kind of what the parallel tool really does. So as you hover over your game object, you're going to see this little dot here. And what we're going to do is click on an edge and drag. And as you can see, it created an edge or a line parallel to what we selected on. Now, one reason you may want to do this, I'm going to go ahead and do a Control-Z out of this. And what I'm going to do is actually go over to my loop cut tool. So what's interesting is a lot of times we might be modeling, right? And we might want to create a line, say from here to here to here to here, but we don't want it to go all the way, but we might want to click. You can click and drag with this, and that may work, but that's not exactly what I want, right? And another way you could probably approach this is by going maybe to the polyline tool, and you could theoretically click here, click there, and click here as well. And that could work as well, and you create that line just like that, but I don't want it to work that way either. I think a quicker way, or another way you can do it, is by using the parallel tool. You click the parallel tool, and what's great is when you click on this line, you can ensure that it's going to be parallel with where you're at. And if you let go, there goes that line. But what's great is it's still active. So what you can do is click on the next line below and continue that line. Now, what's great also is that it snaps to the point that it's connecting to. So if I click, and as soon as it turns yellow, from green to yellow, right there. And now if we go back into our vertex mode and we select that point, it's going to move it, so it's going to show you that it's been welded as well. So you're not just making lines, but you're also welding it at the same time. Now, if we want to go along the backside here and we want to use the parallel tool again, we can continue that process and we can go, okay, let's go ahead and click, and there you go. And now you have a full line and you have it exactly where you want it. And so if you want to continue to use other tools, you can. And what's cool, it's very quick. You can just continue to move, or if you want to go from this way, you can as well. So say you want to do this, and you can do this as well. And you can just continue to utilize this any way that you need to. And I really like this tool. It's very useful, especially just when doing just modeling in general and creating edges and things where you need them exactly. And then from this point, we can do all types of things. We can select our point, and then we can start playing with some of the other wonderful tools by selecting 2 points. And say I just want to do a, let's see, we can do like a connect, boom. And then so say I wanted to do that, and there you got it. And then you kind of do something like that. So that would work pretty well. So I'm not going to make this too long. That is the parallel tool. It's a wonderful tool, and you can use it across your whole model and move forward from there. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys used the parallel tool. I would love to see how you guys are utilizing all the tools. And other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to stay up to date with the latest features and updates by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the notification bell. More features are coming, and you wouldn't want to miss out. See you soon.